Your new Toyota has some highly advanced safety systems. In this short video, we'll tell you how to use them to give the most enjoyable and relaxing driving experience. First, the PreCollision System, which is always active unless switched off. It uses a LiDAR sensor and front camera to detect objects in front of your Toyota. When the system calculates that a collision is imminent, it sounds a warning and flashes a message on the multi-information display. If it determines the possibility of a collision is extremely high and no action has been taken by the driver, the brakes are automatically applied. The automatic braking will be cancelled if the accelerator pedal is pushed hard, the brakes are applied, or the driver steers sharply, as if avoiding the obstacle. You can adjust the sensitivity of the system by pressing this button. There are 3 levels available and the middle setting is the default. You can turn the system off by pressing the same button for 3 seconds. Next, we'll take a look at Lane Departure Alert. This function reads the road markings on motorways and other faster roads, alerting the driver when your Aygo seems to be drifting out of lane. If the system recognizes the lane markings, both lines in the display will be green. If the car drifts across the markings, the lane line will flash yellow. The system won't warn the driver if the indicators have been activated. You can turn the system off at any time using this button on the steering wheel. The car will remember your preference next time you drive. Finally, we'll look at the Aygo's speed limiter. When set, the car will be prevented from exceeding a set speed. The adjustable speed limiter is only available if your Toyota Aygo is manual transmission. To activate the system, press this button on the end of this stalk. The speed limiter indicator light will come on. Then press this stalk down to set the desired speed. The set light will appear. You can now adjust the speed by using the up and down buttons. Pulling the lever towards you cancels the speed limiter. Pushing it upwards will reset it at the previous speed. You can override the limiter by fully depressing the accelerator pedal. The display will flash to warn you the speed has been exceeded. Enjoy the advanced safety features of your Toyota and drive carefully.